Here's my Veto Tech Pack MC backpack. This is what I'm using for commercial side, service work. Majority of my calls I'm going to be taking this. For PMs and controls, I'll be taking a different bag. I'll probably do a video on that one. But let's see what I got in this bag. I'm kind of moving stuff around here and there. Like I just got added these pair of linesman channel lock cool blue pliers that I'll be adding in here. I love linesmans and pipe wrenches for some reason. I don't know. Anyways, so front pocket here. I got some 3/8 tappers. Not much else in there. Nothing in the front pocket. So we'll just go. Actually, let's do it on the side. I just have Malco 5/16 1/4" bit, Milwaukee extension. Probably add something else on here, a pin or something. Electrical wand, fluke right here, tape. Front pocket, zip ties right here. It's funny because everybody who posts videos on their tool bags, tools, whatnot, almost everyone carries the same stuff. You carry Klein, you carry nitpicks, you carry what is this, Weha? Yep, German stuff. I mean, that's like, yeah, maybe some Milwaukee stuff, but it's always Klein and it's always nitpicks, right? I mean, or channel lock, but every video you see, everyone's usually carrying the same stuff. I mean, I'm no different. I like good tools, so that's what I carry. I mean, the only tool that I carry in here that's I don't see anybody else carrying often is these pair of crimpers that Shannon Knight HVAC. He's all about these, and I've been looking for a pair because they have he's come. I seen them snap on from Eman. He did a thing on them and he really liked them, and I'm not gonna pay like $80 for a pair of little crimpers, but he said these ones are really good and they're from Napa, made by Carla. So pick up a pair of these, put them in my bag. I think this is like the only other thing I've seen no one else really carrying. And then these, well, this is nitpicks, but it's got stripper and a cutter, so needle nose. I use these actually a bunch. It strips really well. Those in there. But yeah, I carry just like everybody else. You know, like I said, nitpicks, channel lock, all that good stuff. Klein. I got some wrenches right here, speed wrenches. This is a big crescent. This is good for on IntelliPacks, loosening up the belt tension. Put this big bad boy in there and just wrench it down instead of using crescent. These are Husky speed wrenches. Got some Allen keys in there. Basic multi screwdriver. This is the adjustable screwdriver in length, and then it's got a flat over there. It's pretty cool. What else? Extension. nut driver. I got a magnet back in here. Stubby refrigeration wrench. Let's see what I got. I got some random sockets in here, which these are D-bolts. Some impact sockets. I think these, yeah, so these actually, if you look, you bend and push it up a little bit and it has a, it's got an angle on it. Got these at Home Depot. And then you can get it at an angle. And then if you want to do it straight, just lock it back and then you're good to go. And I got the other DeWalt chuck attachment for the impact. So you can put like drill bits, uni-bit, whatnot on the impact. That one I can carry multiple tools up to the roof. That's pretty much it I got in there. Other sockets. 1/2 inch deep sockets. 11/32, same stuff everyone else is carrying. Jumpers. Yay, jumpers. So that's pretty much it for this side. Backside. Now, before this, I was using the MB3B bag, and I basically added 2 straps and made it like a backpack. At the point, I added a little bit more tools. I like the arrangement inside for the. It has like what do you call them? Like shelves or to put like your meter and your gauges in there, and it separates kind of everything. I can think of the word. I like that for that, but I mean you're kind of limited on what tools you can put in there. And I seen Chris from HVAC videos. He got this bag, and he kind of stepped down from the bigger one because he didn't want to carry so much stuff. Which at that point I'm like, well, that bag is actually not that big. I'm gonna give it a shot. So I moved from the MV3B to this bag, and it is a backpack. I mean, it's a little taller than the MV3B, but it's about the same width, and you got the extra support for actual straps to carry it. So that's what I liked about it. And not only that, it's got double-sided pockets for adding more tools. I didn't go super crazy. I think I added just a couple more tools than when I had an MV3B. I was gonna add a Megger in here, but I mean, I'm not using the Megger quite often, so it'd be like pretty much no real reason to carry it in here. Plus, I'm not lazy. I'll just go down to my van and grab it. But on this side, micrometer, thermometer, 2 pocket thermometers in here. Appion stubby gauges. I use these a lot actually. I like it's got the display, it links up to an app, all that good stuff. It'd be great if these connect to the measure quick, but they don't, but it's okay. I really like the temperature sensors for these. Right here. Great sensors. Very accurate. Keep those in there. So I got a little kit for different wire connections, and I got like service caps, self tappers, wire nuts, you know, just like everybody else carries. I got 2 ball valve for the stubbies, get in certain spots. Carry little small probes for the meter. Scheiße. Those back. 3/8 by 16 bit. Probably gonna add more in here. Another extension. Milwaukee extension, and then there's the Malco bit right here, 5/16 1/4 inch. Carry Fluke. Only the best. It's Fluke. Everything else comes in second or third place. I would pick Fluke and then amp probe. And that's it for me. I don't like fill piece, just my opinion. And then I got gator clamps. See, I was gonna put Omega right here, but I'd kind of be overpacking the backpack, so didn't want to do that. Temperature clamps in there. Nothing here. Nothing in there. But yeah, I just kind of keep it a little light. I'm not trying to add too much stuff in here. And then on the side, this little bag, husky bag. I got labels for wires. Good to have. Of course, spread your butter here, nylon. Piece of sandcloth, and then I just got readers and different different attachments for my probes. Shredder cord compressor, a T90. That's about it in that bag. I could carry these in the back one here, but I don't know. I just choose not to, I guess. Might have in here. I'll probably end up adding a little bit more in here. Just don't know exactly what yet. And I don't want to overfill it. But yeah, that's what I carry in this Tech Pack MC Veto backpack, well, mini backpack. But yeah, pretty good. I haven't climbed up a cage ladder yet, so I don't know how stuck I'm gonna get with this on my back. But usually I climb at an angle, so I should be okay. That's how I did my other ones. If not, I usually just rope it up from the side of the building. I mean, you gotta get there somehow. So, but yeah, that's the review on this Tech Pack MC. See y'all later.